Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jax here from Pristine Auto Lab, and today this is what I got in my hands: the ceramic spray sealant from Vonixx. It is called the SiO2 Pro, and I'm gonna be applying it in this Lexus. So I'm gonna wash, decontaminate, prepare the surface for the application. Then I'm gonna apply the product, see how easy it is to apply, and then we'll check out the results. See how glossy it looks and how slick it feels. All right, so let's get on it. The vehicle is now ready for SiO2 Pro from Vonixx, the ceramic spray sealant, and I'm gonna follow the application instructions on the label, which is pretty standard. Shake it very well, apply a small mist on a 2x2 section, then level and buff it with a clean microfiber towel. This product is very easy to apply. That's why you're seeing me applying on larger sections, sometimes the entire panel at a time. And also I'm in an enclosed environment, so I'm not working under direct sunlight. So that makes everything much easier. But if you're working under the sun, I would recommend sticking with a 2x2 sections, just in case, you know. Now let's check out the water behavior after I have applied this product onto the vehicle. Very nice sheeting. Check this out. There it is, guys. Very slick, guys. As soon as you buff it, it feels very slick. Now, let's check out the results. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below to detailground.com, which is the website where you can purchase all the Vonixx products at a 10% discount if you use my promo code PAL. Again, PAL for my company initials, Pristine Auto Lab, or your PAL, and you're going to get 10% off not only on Vonixx products, but also any products that they have on their website. So go check it out. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Take care.